Between the firebird, the teddy better. Okay, so we're gonna pick the firebird. Okay, that's the firebird. Okay, we're going to read the firebird today. Okay, here's the firebird. Okay, let's, let's build this one. Okay. So we went to a potion and okay, we'll that's what. Food that's what. Okay. Unless you are going to. Oh my god, 44, that's a really damage. Okay, we're gonna for the first firebird. And after that, I am like, yeah, this one lets you. Oh god. And now one. Okay, hit this the firebird and with ourselves. Okay. And okay, we're gonna take firebird. Ah, so did I know. If I win, and you're hoping someone.